This is a very good question presented in front of you. For the circuit shown in the figure, the current I is. So this is the current I over here, and this is the circuit we are having. So first of all, we need to label the circuit. If there is no labeling in the circuit, we need to label the circuit. So this point we have labeled A, this point B, other point C. So there is no resistance here. This is C, this is C, this is C. So this is a common circuit. Clearly you can see BC and BC are same. So voltage across BC and voltage across BC would be same. So now you have to calculate this. Let's suppose this current be X and here 1 ampere is given. So you will use the current divider rule. 1 ampere can be divided into the opposite resistance. You can see 2R 4 plus 2R. So this would give you around 2R, and 4 plus 2R, this would be 2R divided by 6R, 1 by 3X. So X, you will get the value of 3 amperes. So now this circuit VAC, you can see here VB plus VC gives you VAC, VAB plus VAC. Now a very important thing in this question is, so how do you get the value of RBC? So this value of resistance across this BC, RBC would be how much? It's a parallel combination of 4 ohms and 2 ohms. So it is 8 by 6. R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is 8 by 6. So this is 4 by 3. So this combination is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 R. Okay. So this is 4 by 3 R. Now you require your VBC. How much would be your VBC? So VBC is how much? VBC is IBC. Basically you have to calculate your IBC. IBC is your VBC. This IBC is your VBC divided by your, this value is there in the beginning. This is 3R and this is 4R. So your IBC is VBC divided by 4R. So you need to calculate the value of VBC. So in order to calculate the value of VBC, how do you calculate it? So VBC is basically the voltage VBC across this and across this is same. So this VBC is current 3 ampere into this drop which you calculated. So this drop is 3 ampere, current 3 ampere here, that current 3 ampere which we calculated into the resistance drop, that is 4 by 3. So your VBC happens to be your 4 volts. Now you calculated VBC, so IBC you will get 4 by C. You will get this VBC as your 4 R and your 4R, because this is 4 by 3R, and your IBC is your 4R divided by 4R. So IBC happens to be 1. Now we clearly know that my IBC is this current, and this is 1 amps, this is 3 amps. So this total current would be 4 amps. So total current would be 4 amps. So my IAB, not this total, this IAB would be IBC plus X, which would be equal to 4 amps. So what is the value now I need? Now I need the value of IAC. So let's see IAC, how much it would be. IAC would be VAC by RAC. RAC is that this value RAC across this, again this is 2 ohm and 4 ohm. So this would be 8 by 3, that is 6 by 3. So first going to this particular path, VAC. So VAC, I have told VAC is VAB plus VBC. VAB is how much we have just now seen. VAB is your 3R into your 4, because current across this. So you can write VAB is equal to, because voltage drop I is how much? 4 ampere, and resistance is 3R. So this is VAB is 12R. Okay. VBC 3 amperes into 4, VBC here, this VBC. So this VBC as such we have seen, this is a 3 ampere combination plus 1 amps here. So this VBC 1 ampere into 3, 1 ampere into 4, so this VBC would be 1 ampere into 4 R. So this becomes 4R. So total VAC is 12R plus 4R, that is your 16R. Now what you need is that you need the value of your IAC. So IAC is your VAC. IAC is your VAC, that is 16R VAC by RAC. RAC is 4 by 3R, so this is 16R divided by 4 by 3R. So this is 12 amps. Now this is 12 amps. So you came to know that this IAC, that is the total current over here, that is going is 12 amps. So now the total current going is 12 amps. So here 12 amps is entering. So you have to see here in the circuit 12 amps is occurring, and how much is that I. Again you will use the current divider rule. This is 2R and this is 4R. If you are using the current divider rule, and this is your I value is equal to 12 into this opposite side 4 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 into 4 is 8 amps. So your answer for I would be equal to 8 amps. So it was a very good question, and I think it's a question for GATE 2021. Confirm. Thank you very much.